Welcome, in front of me is a SONY Xperia C5 Ultra, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. And to get started, all you want to do is open up the content that you wish to capture. I'm going to be using a home screen as an example. And once it's open and visible on the screen, simply hold power key and volume down at the same time. You can get this animation, at which point you can now find your screenshot in your album application. So there we go, there's the screenshot. And that's how you capture a screenshot. Now there's also another way, a little bit less convenient. You hold power key and you'll have take screenshot option right here. So there we go. But that being said, that is how you capture screenshots, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.